signal from social media. What's your comment on Parashakti film? What's your comment, sir?
Parashakti is a film which has been about Hindi agitation that took place in Tamil Nadu. It is basically the event that took place in the period of 1965 when Congress was in rule here. So the way they were treated, because they wanted to bring it as an official language, that was the Hindi agitation that went on. So the movie as such has been taken trying to depict what has ever happened during the Hindi agitation. It is based on the true event, but it is fictionalized for the movie to watch.
And sir, what about Jan Nagyan? Jan Nagyan.
Jananayagan, the censor has had some objections. I think the censor board is an independent body, and me, I'm a national executive committee member of BJP. My movie is stuck for 4 years. So if there is something wrong with the film, the censor board is an independent organization. If I could even influence being in the party, you cannot do that. It is basically censor board has found some objections in the film. That is why it is getting delayed.
Sir,
You cannot politicize everything in this country.
but opposition leaders are opposition
Yeah, they are playing politics. अभी तो politics करने का कुछ और नहीं है, तो ये politics बन जाता है उनको.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, Dayanidhi Maran is saying that we are giving laptop to get job, getting to study, but in North India, women are used to stay in houses. They are not. They told not to go for job.
Women, huh?
Yeah, Dayanidhi. Yeah.
Women he is telling. So first of all, Dayanidhi Maran and all the other DMK leaders should stop discriminating our brothers and sisters from other states. Because let them talk the pride of their state. Even I belong to Tamil Nadu. I talk the pride of my state, but I am not degrading the sisters and brothers of other states. Another thing, laptop, NDA government from Puducherry, I was LG. We gave 4 years back itself, we have given laptop. It is not Dayanidhi Maran who is giving the laptop, DMK. And another thing, they are portraying their photos and they are threatening the children who are having the laptop. If you are removing the photos, ELCOT won't give guarantee for those. So they are threatening by giving laptops and encashing that for voting. So this is the unity in diversity. They are in parliament. They are with all the other MPs. How can they degrade? So the development, our Honorable Prime Minister, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Women empowerment there in all over the country. Women, the ministers are there. Women finance ministers there. External affairs ministers are women. And all together, Beti Bachao, Beti Badao. That is the scheme of our Honorable Prime Minister. How can he say the women of other states are not growing? Honorable Prime Minister is having a scheme for Beti Badao, Beti Bachao. So this is the highly indecent comment from the Dayanidhi Maran. I highly condemn it. We can talk our pride. At the same time, we cannot degrade any state. That is not allowed. He has no moral right to talk about other state leaders or ladies.
What is your wishes today?
Yeah, it's a happy Pongal. So it's a Pongal. It is not only, celebrating in Tamil Nadu. In a different name, in a different state, the people are celebrating, respecting nature, and after harvest with a new rice. So we are offering to God. So it's a very big festival in Tamil Nadu, and we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister, who has participated in a Pongal celebration, and also he always speaks very high about Tamil culture, Tamil language. So we are expressing our thanks and gratitude to our Honorable PM also.
Ma'am, this is a very important year because election will be upcoming. How do you see this? How confident you are? But because the way DMK MP Mr. Dayanidhi Maran, he is criticizing BJP. He is saying that BJP Northern India, they ask women told to not to do jobs, staying home, such kind of things happen in North India, not in Southern India. We are providing jobs, we are providing laptops. How do you see this?
See, it is not the first time that Dayanidhi Maran is saying something about North India. It is DMK's DNA. Always they are trying to divide North and South. It is their core ideology. And one thing that they are forgetting, that North Indian migration that is happening, even from Tamil Nadu, migration is happening to Middle East and to the southern east state countries like Singapore, Malaysia. So before speaking this, Mr. Dayanidhi Maran must answer to his father's native district, particularly the central Tamil Nadu. See, at present, the central Tamil Nadu youth, they don't have any job opportunities. I can say that from each house, at least one person who is staying either in Singapore, Malaysia or in the Middle East. So when this is being the situation, he cannot say all those things. He has to look upon that what his father's native district youth, why they are moving out of Tamil Nadu. He must answer for this.
And Mr. M.K. Stalin says that BJP is a permanent coronavirus. They are calling BJP.
This is before his son was saying Sanatana Dharma is dengue. Now his father's tenure. Now he is saying it is his time of. I think now the DMK people, they have lost their mind. How to criticize, how to speak, because they are nervous about the election. They are unable to answer for the people. That's why they are choosing all this kind of a statement, making statement.
And one statement on Tamil language, please. How do you see this election and how confident BJP and BJP ally party in Tamil Nadu, and what about the women? Women are really, they are faith in BJP and BJP ally government?
So you want this answer in Tamil? வருகின்ற சட்டமன்ற தேர்தலில் தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணி நிச்சயமாக வெற்றி பெறும். இந்த கூட்டணி என்பது வெற்றிகரமான கூட்டணியாக இருக்க போகிறது. ஆளுகின்ற திமுக அரசினுடைய அவலங்கள், அவர்களுடைய பொய் வாக்குறுதிகள், நாடகங்கள், இவற்றினால் தமிழக மக்கள் வெறுத்து போயிருக்கிறார்கள். அதனால் பெண்களுடைய ஆதரவு என்பது அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகத்திற்கு இருந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அம்மா ஜெயலலிதா அவர்களுடைய அந்த நல்ல மதிப்பு அவர்கள் மீதானதும், மற்றும் இப்போது பிரதமர் மோடி அவர்கள் பெண்களுக்கு செய்கின்ற திட்டங்கள் வாயிலாக பெண்களுடைய செல்வாக்கு, பெண்களுடைய ஆதரவு என்பது, அந்த செல்வாக்கு என்பது தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணிக்குத்தான் இருக்கிறது. இதுதான் வெற்றி பெற போகக்கூடிய கூட்டணியாக இருக்கிறது.
माइक बंद कर दिया, एमबीएस खोल दिया है, एमबीएस हम खोल दिए, एमबीएस खोल दिए।
मोतीलाल इधरे हालू दी हां आसिया
मत ना उठा। हाँ सर, हम फीड भेजेंगे थोड़ी देर में। राजपाल निकल बाइट होगा सर।
मकर संक्रांति की सबके
उधर बोल रहे हैं हम लोग हम लोग के लिए,
सर